Hey, this is Brandon with Ultimate Dent Repair, and we recently repaired this 2018 Honda Accord with the dent measuring in at 2.5 inches on the left roof rail of the vehicle, just above the left rear door. And you can see that this dent is more of a shallow style, so there's a lot of surface area being pulled down for that small area. Just a little bit more time consuming for the repair in comparison to a dent that's a little bit more pinpointed. Because the dent is on the roof rail, there is no access to get to the backside of the dent. So we have to rely on the glue pull process, which is consisting of applying a tab with specialized hot glue onto the dent, pulling all the lows, tapping down all the highs, just repeating that process in order to gain a final result just like this. A nice smooth finish. You can't even tell that the damage was in there in the first place, and this is what you should expect from a proper dent repair. Please like, share, and subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Ultimate Dent and Twitter at Ultimate_Dent. Thank you so much for watching.